Did you know that your body needs magnesium for more than 300 separate metabolic processes? These could include everything from producing energy for your body to controlling blood pressure and neuron function. Despite being less well known than other minerals like calcium and iron, magnesium is a vital to your health. A magnesium deficient can be harmful to your health because it is involved in so many body processes. In order to treat magnesium deficiency before it leads to conditions like diabetes, poor absorption, chronic diarrhea and more, it is crucial for recognize the symptoms. In the video for today, we will explore the symptoms. So let's begin the video. Sleep problems. Magnesium deficiency can make it hard to sleep because magnesium helps your body relax. It works by calming the nerve system and regulating a hormone called melatonin, which control your sleep-wake cycle. Without enough magnesium, your muscles might feel tense and your mind can feel restless, making it difficult to fall asleep or stay asleep. Magnesium also helps reduce stress and anxiety, which can common reason for poor sleep. So if you are not getting enough magnesium, your body might struggling to fully relax, leading to insomnia or interrupted sleep. Muscles cramp. Magnesium play a key role in helping muscles contract and relax properly. When your body does not have enough magnesium, it can cause an imbalance in the signaling between your muscles and nerves. This leads to muscle staying tense or twitching uncontrollably, which can cause cramps. Without magnesium to relax the muscles, they may contract suddenly and painfully, especially after exercise or at night. Boosting magnesium level through foods or supplements can help reduce these cramps and improve muscles function. Heart palpitations. Magnesium is essential for maintaining a healthy heartbeat because it helps regulate the electrical signals in the heart. When you are deficient in magnesium, these signals can become irregular, causing heart palpitations, a feeling that your heart is racing, pounding, or skipping beats. This happens because magnesium works to relax the heart muscles and keep the heart rhythm steady. Without enough magnesium, the balance between calcium and potassium, which also control heart function, is disrupted, leading to irregular heartbeats. Replenishing magnesium through foods or supplements often help reduce palpitation and support overall heart health. Fatigue. Fatigue and tiredness are common signs of magnesium deficiency. You may think your exhaustion is due to stress, lack of sleep, or other reasons without realizing how much your nutrition affects your energy levels. Magnesium is essential for producing energy in the body, and without enough of it, your body can't make the energy it needs. This can leave you feeling consistently drained. Research even shows that magnesium helps fight fatigue, especially in people with chronic tiredness. Blood sugar. Blood sugar levels are mainly affected by what you eat and your activity levels, but magnesium also play an important role. Magnesium helps your body to manage glucose and insulin effectively. A large study found that low magnesium levels are linked to insulin resistance and a higher risk of prediabetes. It also shows that certain genetic factors affecting magnesium levels can increase the risk of diabetes. To make matter worse, diabetes can further lower magnesium levels because it causes the body to lose more magnesium through urine. Keeping magnesium level balanced is key for blood sugar control. High blood pressure. Magnesium and calcium enhance heart health and normal blood pressure. Hypertension or elevated blood pressure may indicate a lack of calcium and magnesium. Additionally, given that 50% of all ischemic strokes are caused by hypertension, it's recommended must take precautionary care and consume acute magnesium. A magnesium-rich diet may lower the risk of stroke by 8% according to a study. Tingling extremities. Magnesium deficiency can cause tingling in the extremities because magnesium is crucial for nerve function. When there is not enough magnesium in the body, nerves may become irritated or less efficient in sending signals, leading to sensations like numbness or tingling in the hands, feet, or other parts of the body. This happens because magnesiums help regulate the flow of calcium and potassium in and out of cells, and without it, nerves can become overstimulated or fail to function properly, causing those uncomfortable tingling sensations. Which of the symptoms mentioned in this video do you experience? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe.